Uh, Now in this class we are going to start with the CYP of linear equations in one variable from ML Agrawal. CYP is check your progress. So now we will start. The very first topic is MCQs, multiple choice questions. Which of the following, first one is, which of the following is not a linear equation in one variable? I hope screen is visible to everyone. Yes. देखिए बेटा, अब इसमें से आपको ये बताना है कि वन वेरिएबल की इक्वेशन कौन सी नहीं है. ए पार्ट इज 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, 2y minus 4 is equal to y, x plus 2y is equal to 7 and 2 into x minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. Yes, तो हमारे पास अगर आप इसको देखें ए ऑप्शन, yes C option, because you have two variables out of here. So यहाँ पे आपके पास दो variables आ गए. So this is not a linear equation in one variable. This is a linear equation in two variables. और इसको हम next class में solve करना सीखेंगे, right? चलो. Next जो MCQ है, the solution of the equation. अब आपको ये solve करके रखना है. So kindly keep a notebook and pencil with you and फटाक से मुझे solve करके बताना है, right? So it is 2 by 3x plus 1 is equal to 15 by 9. So let's get started. देखते हैं who will do it faster. Yes? चलो. Okay. X by 3 is equal to 15 by 9. When 1 will move on to the other side, it will get subtracted. So it will be 2x by 3 is equal to 9. LCM will come out 15 minus 9. So 2x upon 3 is equal to 6 by 9. So I'll cut it off. It will become 2 by 3. Now this gets cancelled. This gets cancelled. So I am left with, yes, 1. Yes, x is equal to 1. Yes, 1. Rashi? Yes. Where is Nikhil?
I'm here.
Okay. So x is coming out to be 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Chalo, let's get started with the next equation. And equation is 4z plus 3. This one is quite simpler. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Okay. Now when 2z will move on to the left hand side, it will get subtracted. So 4z minus 2z will be equal to 6 minus 3.
Ma'am, Z1.
Yes, Manan? So z is equal to?
Ma'am, Z3 upon 2.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
3 upon 2.
Yes, very good. It is coming out to be 3 by 2. Very good. Okay. Now we will on to the next. Now you have to find the solution of the equation. I'm writing out the equation because ये थोड़ा सा अलग तरीके से type हुआ हुआ है. It is 3x upon 5, okay, plus 1 is equal to 4x by 15 plus 7. Okay. So now, first of all, we will gather up the x ones. I prefer to gather the x ones on left hand side. So it is 3x by 5 minus 4x by 15 is equal to 7.
I'm 18 answer.
Okay, great. Nikhil, are you doing beta साथ साथ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is 9x minus 4x is equal.
Ma'am, 18.
Yes, good. Is equal to 6. So this becomes 5. 5x is equal to 6 into 15. So this 5 gets cancelled with this 3. So x comes out to be 18. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
X
ma'am.
coming out to be 18. Now the next. Next question will be there in decimals. Answer आपका decimal में आएगा. So थोड़ा सा उसको ध्यान से करना है. Okay बेटा? Now मैं equation आपके लिए लिख देती हूँ. You have to solve it. Okay Nikhil? Nikhil will tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
It is x by 2
Yes, ma'am.
minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. first step will be we will collect all the x, right? I have got the answer, but I will not tell. Okay, Manan? वैसे x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, बेटा, अब इसमें भी LCM लेंगे, तो हमारा LCM आएगा on the left hand side, it will be 6. Okay, so it will become 3x.
Right hand side 9.
है 9? How? बच्चा 9 कैसे आएगा? 9 तो
Oh,
ना
sorry.
And 20.
20. Yes, good.
Yes, ma'am.
उसने करना वही था, गलती से वो उसको हार्दिक परेशान कर रहा है इसलिए. 5 plus 4. Okay, so this becomes x is equal to 9 into 6 divided by 20. Okay, so this becomes 3 and this will become 10. So 18 upon 10 means 1.8. Yes, तो हमारा जो आंसर आ रहा है that is coming out to be 1.8.
1.8. B option.
हाँ जी बेटा, बी ऑप्शन. यस,
Option.
चलिए अब हम नेक्स्ट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग सा है. ओहो, एक सेकेंड बेटा.
I'm done.
आई नो, एक सेकेंड मनु. Now, next equation is 8x minus 3 divided by 3x is equal to 2. Yes, Rashi, which method we will use?
Ma'am, cross multiplication.
Yes, it will be crisscross. So, it will be 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x, right? So, 8x minus 6x is equal to minus 3. When it will go to that side, it will become plus 3, right? So, 2x is equal to 3. So, x is coming out to be 3 by 2. Yes. So, our C option is correct. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. चलिए अब हम करते हैं next question. If we subtract 1 by 2 from a number, but we don't know number, so what we will say? The number is x minus 1 by 2, and whatever the answer is, you have to multiply by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Yes? Now find out the number. I think I have got the answer.
I'm done.
Okay. Manan, you are saying 6 ka x is equal to 1. No, it's coming out to be 3 by 2. Just check it once more. When we are going to open up this thing, this 1 by 2 will be multiplied with x, 1 by 2x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. Now, Rashi, when this 1 by 4 will go to the other side, its sign will be?
Ma'am, change and it will become plus sign.
Yes, it will become. So, we will take LCM. So, it will become 3 by 8. So, 1 by 2x. So, this 2 gets cancelled off. So, our x is coming out to be 3 by 4. So, number क्या था हमारा? 3 by 4. Okay, beta? Number is 3 by 4. Nikhil, are you getting beta? समझ आ रहा है?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, हम डिनोमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर को भी काट सकते हैं.
Yes, बेटा. अगर उसमें कोई प्लस माइनस नहीं है तो, अगर प्लस माइनस में होगा फिर नहीं कर सकते हो आप. ओके, फिर नहीं करना हमने. चलो, Nikhil, now you do the next question, बेटा.
Yes.
See, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. सबसे पहले तो हमें present age ही नहीं पता. So what we will say, his present age is, yes,
X.
x. Yes. So x years क्या बन गई बेटा? उसकी present age बन गई. अब what the question is, 15 years from now, 15 साल से 15 साल के बाद. Yes. तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 15. Yes. From now matlab you have to add 15 to this. Yes. So this will
Yes,
become
ma'am.
4 times of his age. Okay. So it will become x minus 4x is equal to minus 15. So minus 3x is equal to minus 15. So minus minus gets cancelled and x comes out to be 5 years. Yes. Do we have an option?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is 5 years. Okay, chaliye. Now sum of 3 consecutive. Nikhil, what do you mean by consecutive, beta?
एक के बाद एक.
Yes, एक के बाद एक. So if I'm saying the first integer to be x, तो अगला integer क्या होगा बच्चे?
Ma'am, 2x.
X plus 1.
Yes, very good. And next will be
X plus 2.
yes, it will be x plus 2. तो जब आप इन तीनों को प्लस कर रहे हो, will be equal to 51. I am not writing the first integer like this because these are MCQs. You have to solve them orally. Okay, या फिर आप रफ शीट पे करते हो, लेकिन जब आपने स्टेटमेंट सम्स में अगर ये आता है क्वेश्चन, तो you have to write properly. Let the first integer be x, the second will be this, third will be this. Okay, आपने largest बताना है. Largest मतलब x plus 2 बताना है. तो ये आ जाएगा 3x is equal to 50.
18 आंसर.
हाँ जी बेटा.
18 आंसर.
Okay. 51 minus 3. So x is coming out to be 48 divided by 3. It is coming out to be 16. राशि क्या ये हमारा आंसर है बेटा? या we need to do something else?
Ma'am, we need to add the values in the x plus 1 in the x values.
x plus 2. But why? हमने x plus 2 को ही क्यों चुना?
हम लार्जेस्ट है वो.
Yes, क्योंकि
Yes,
हमसे
ma'am.
पूछा क्या गया है? We have been asked the largest integer. मतलब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? x plus 2 करना पड़ेगा. So x plus 2 is coming out to be 18. Yes, तो आपका आंसर क्या है? 18. Okay? Clear? चलो, next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next Nikhil will do. So we need to calculate the length. We are given the perimeter and the breadth. So we know the formula for calculating the perimeter. So we'll put the values in that. So by putting the given values, I am getting P is equal to twice L plus B. So 13 by 2. मैंने इस 2 को I have taken it to the other side. So it became as denominator is equal to 11 by 4 plus B. Now this 11 by 4 will go to that side and it will be subtracted. So 13 by 2 minus 11 by 4 is equal to
11 upon
B. Yes. Now we will take the LCM. So LCM will be 4. It will become 26 minus 11 by 4 is equal to B. So it's coming out to be 15 upon 4. It is 3 by 4 centimeter. So do we have an option of this?
Yes.
Okay. Where is it? B part.
Yes. Ma'am, it is 33.
Hanji?
It's looking like 33.
Okay. I couldn't do that.
Now 33.
Okay. So here it starts. Add it to twice minus 7 to get 3 minus 3 plus x is equal to s. So this will become minus 14 by 3 plus x equal to 8, x come to 3 by 3. So LCM plus so it will be 9 1 1 0 by 3. So I think we will do this. Okay, and then by maybe the captain answer solution is correct. Now she's very much clear. Okay. Yeah, so for this okay, and this is x. This is the original number.
Ma'am, 8 minus x plus x.
लाइक जो भी टेंस प्लेस पे होगा we can multiply that particular digit with 10. अब यहाँ पे आपका digit है 8 minus 6 10 अब वो रिवर्स क्या होगा रिवर्स टेंस प्लेस पे था ये कौन सा आएगा आपका टेंस पे so it will become x
Ma'am, x.
और ये बन जाएगा 8 minus x. Yes, so it will become 9x plus 8. ओके अब वो ये कह रहा है कि ये जो आपको नंबर मिला ना इट इज 18 मोर देन द नंबर. ठीक है, मतलब अगर हम इसमें प्लस 18 कर दें तो ये नो इट विल बी ओहो ज्यादा हो गया 9x plus 8 is equal to 80 minus 9x plus 80. Okay, so this 9x will go to this side 18x ये बन जाएगा 98 ठीक है बेटा x will be equal to 5
Yes, ma'am.
ना x is coming out to be 5. So निखिल आपका नंबर क्या बना बेटा अगर हम ओरिजिनल नंबर को देखते हैं ओरिजिनल नंबर हमारा ये है राइट सो नंबर विल बी वंस प्लेस पे तो 5 आ गया बेटा टेंस प्लेस पे क्या आएगा बच्चे
Oh,
9.
3.
नो बच्चा 8 minus 5
3.
3 so it will be
Ma'am,
35 हाँ जी 35 Manan what we have done कि sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 8 if the number obtained by reversing the digit is 18 more than the number you have to find the original number. Okay, I can tell you later on. चलो बेटा अब हम करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके अर्जुन इज ट्वाइस एज ओल्ड एज श्रेया. अब श्रेया की एज क्या है भाई पता है x. यस तो श्रेया की एज जो है वो x हो गई. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग s. ओके दिस इज x years old एंड अर्जुन क्या हो गया ट्वाइस. ठीक 5 years ago
2s.
what do you mean by 5 years ago
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we
plus
will
5.
plus 5. to
Ago.
both the-
ago means
Minus 5.
yes it will be minus 5. तो हम श्रेया की
Okay,
एज
ma'am.
से भी 5 माइनस करेंगे और अर्जुन की एज से भी 5 years माइनस कर देंगे. अब इस saying जो अर्जुन था वो श्रेया की एज से थ्राइस था तो श्रेया की एज को हम into 3 कर देंगे. So you have to calculate the present age of Arjun. Okay, so it will become 3x minus 15
15 is equal to 2x minus 5. So when we will take 2x to this side, the 2x will become minus and x will be here.
yes
And then we will take 15 to that side, it will become plus. So x is equal to 20.
yes x is coming out to be 10. क्या ये हमारा आंसर आ गया निखिल?
No, ma'am.
फिर what we need to find? This is actually Shreya's age, but they have asked us to calculate the Arjun's age. So what will I do now to find out Arjun's age?
Ma'am, into 2.
Yes, so answer will be 20 years. Yes, very
20
good.
years.
Good. Chale, now we will move on to our next. Now you have to solve the following equations. You have to find the value for x. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so in this beta, we will be doing 3 by 5x minus 2 by 3x will be equal to minus what will be the LCM of 5 and 3?
Ma'am, 15.
15. Okay, 15. So it will become 9x.
9x minus 10x.
Yes. So it will be equal to minus 2. So again, we will find out. So it will be minus x over 15
Is equal to minus 2.
Yes.
So we will take 15 to that side and we'll multiply with minus 2.
Very good. So x comes out to be 30. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is our answer. Okay. Chalo. Next. In the next case, you will take the LCM. So LCM will come out to be 12. Okay. So LCM will come out to be 12. So it will be 6x minus 9x plus 2x. और ये x है.
मैम 2x और 3x का तो किया ना सर ही आया मुझे.
अच्छा बेटा Manan, we are doing we have to find out the value of x by 2 minus 3x by 4 plus x by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So 2, 4 और 6 का जब आप LCM लेते हो बेटा it comes out to be 12. अब 2 के टेबल में 12 कहाँ आता है बेटा निखिल?
तो 6.
Yes, 6. तो 6 को हम x से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो it will become 6x. Okay. Now 4 के टेबल में 12 कहाँ आता है बेटा?
3.
3 3s are
6.
3 3s are
9.
9. Yes. So 6 के टेबल में 12 कहाँ आता है बेटा?
मैम किसके टेबल में?
6. 2.
Yes ma'am. 2
Right?
पे.
So हम 2 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2x. So this is how you got 6x, 9x and 2x. Okay? Clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yes ma'am.
So now it will become, देखो 6 और 2 जो है वो ऐड करके 8 बनाते हैं. 8 minus 9 is minus x. Yes राशि? Minus x ही आएगा ना, हम यहाँ लिख लेते हैं बेटा, वहाँ थोड़ी सी जगह कम है, तो we will write down over here minus x by 12 is equal to minus.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah, sure बेटा, you can tell.
Ma'am, is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So the x value minus x will remain here and the 2 will go over the right side and it will be multiplied with minus 2 upon 3. So we will if we cut 3 and minus 3 and 12, so the answer is coming x is equal to 8.
Yes, x is coming out to be equal to 8.
8.
Clear?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Great. So this is it for today. और अभी एक सेकेंड